Welcome to this video. Today we will explore the essential tools in Photoshop and understand their basic functions. Let's begin. Move Tool and Artboard Tool. Shortcut V. The first tool in Photoshop is the Move tool. This tool helps you move layers, objects, text, or images around the canvas. Simply click and drag to move any object. It's useful for arranging and positioning elements in your design. Below the Move tool is the Artboard tool. The Artboard tool helps you create multiple workspaces, called artboards, in one file. It's very helpful when designing multiple layouts, such as app screens or banners. Marquee tools, shortcut M. Next, we have the Marquee tools. These tools are used to make rectangular or circular selections. There are 4 types of Marquee tools. Rectangular Marquee tool, for rectangular selections. Elliptical Marquee tool, for circular selections. Single row Marquee tool. Selects a 1-pixel high horizontal line. Single column Marquee tool. Selects a 1-pixel wide vertical line 3. Lasso tools, shortcut L. The next group is the Lasso tools, which are used for freehand selections. Lasso tool lets you draw a freehand selection around an object. Polygonal lasso tool creates straight-edged selections by clicking point to point. Magnetic lasso tool. Automatically snaps to the edges of objects for precise selections. Lasso tools are great for selecting irregular shapes. Quick Selection tool and Magic Wand tool, shortcut W. These tools are used for automatic selections. The Quick Selection tool works like a brush. Just drag over the area you want, and Photoshop automatically selects it based on color and texture. The Magic Wand tool selects areas with the same color. It's great for selecting solid backgrounds, such as white areas or blue skies. Crop and Slice tools, shortcut C. The crop tool is used to cut out or resize parts of your image. You can easily remove unwanted areas. Perspective crop tool fixes images taken at an angle. Slice tool divides an image into smaller sections. Often used for web design. Slice select tool selects and adjusts those slices. 6. Frame tools, shortcut K. The frame tool creates placeholder frames for images. Eyedropper and color tools, shortcut I. The eyedropper tool picks a color from any area of your image. Just click on a color and it becomes your foreground color. "3D material eyedropper tool, used in 3D projects. Color sampler tool shows color values of specific points. Ruler tool measures distance or angle. Note tool adds small text notes inside your project. Count tool counts objects in an image. Healing tools, shortcut J, spot. Healing brush tool removes spots, pimples, or small marks instantly. Healing brush tool blends texture from one area to another. Patch tool selects and repairs a larger area. by dragging content-aware Move tool. Moves an object and fills the background automatically. Red Eye tool removes red eyes from Flash Photos 9. Brush tools, shortcut B. Brush tool, paint soft strokes. Like a normal brush pencil tool, paints with hard edges. Color replacement tool, replaces one color with another. Mixer brush tool, mixes colors together, like real paint. Clone stamp tools, shortcut S. The clone stamp tool copies pixels from one part of the image to another. It's great for removing unwanted objects. The pattern stamp tool paints with a selected pattern instead of texture. History brush tools, shortcut Y. The history brush tool paints your image back to a previous state. For example, if you make a mistake, you can restore part of the image. The art history brush tool creates a stylized artistic effect when painting over your image. Eraser tools, shortcut E. Eraser tool works like a brush that erases parts of the layer back. Background eraser tool removes background color. Magic Eraser tool erases similar color areas in one-click 13. Gradient and Paint Bucket tools, shortcut G. Gradient tool creates smooth transitions between colors. Paint Bucket tool fills an area with a solid color. .3D Material Drop tool used for 3D texture painting. Blur, Sharpen, and Smudge tools, shortcut R. Blur tool softens edges and reduces sharpness. Sharpen tool increases detail and makes areas clearer. Smudge tool pushes and blends pixels like smearing paint. These tools control focus and blending in your image. Dodge, Burn, and Sponge tools, shortcut O. Dodge tool lightens areas of an image. Burn tool darkens specific parts. Sponge tool changes color saturation. Pen tools, shortcut P. The pen tool is used to draw precise paths and shapes. Freeform pen tool lets you draw freely. Curvature pen tool helps create smooth curved lines easily. Add anchor point tool adds points on a path. Delete anchor point tool removes points. Convert point tool changes the shape of a curve. Type tools, shortcut T. These tools are used to add text. Horizontal type tool adds text in a straight line. Vertical type tool adds text vertically. Vertical type mask tool does the same, but vertically. Horizontal type mask tool creates a selection in the shape of text. Path selection tools, shortcut A, path selection tool, selects entire paths. Direct selection tool selects and edits individual anchor points. Shape tools, shortcut U. Rectangle tool draws rectangles. Ellipse tool draws oval and circular shapes. Triangle tool draws three-sided shapes. Polygon tool draws polygon shapes. Line tool draws straight lines. Custom shape tool draws various preset shapes. Hand and zoom tools, shortcuts H and Z. The hand tool moves the canvas without affecting the image. The zoom tool is used to zoom in and out of your image for detailed work. Simply drag to move around when zoomed in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.